A massive Chinese fishing fleet has descended on the edge of the Galapagos protection zone. It's threatening to decimate the archipelago's biodiversity. The Galapagos Islands, as you will probably well know, are a UNESCO World Heritage Site in the Pacific Ocean off the mainland of Ecuador. You'll be familiar with some of their endemic species: giant tortoises, iguanas, blue-footed boobies. And the Galapagos protection zone surrounding the islands is also home to the largest shark biomass in the world, as well as sea turtles, manta ray, whales, dolphins, and many, many more. Now take a look at this image. You can see the islands there, the mass of white dots that you see on the edge of the Galapagos protection zone. That is the Chinese fleet. 265 fishing, cargo, refrigeration and processing vessels squeezed between that narrow band of international waters between Ecuador and the Galapagos, a major migration route for those endangered species that travel through that area for breeding, feeding and to seek refuge. And there is also this: waves of plastic waste of Chinese origin washing up on the shores of the precious Galapagos National Park.